Welcome to graphic tutorial. Today I present Windows 11 which is released within more. Here the site techshop.com এ যে নিউজটি বের হয়েছে সেটা Windows 11 is coming and some of you have been trying out the lag ISO as have multiple media outlets and YouTubers. We did not plan on benchmarking marking the new operating system just yet, at least until it's officially released or some official beta became available. But with so many others posting Windows 11 benchmark with very mixed result, we thought we should take it for a spin and see what the real deal is. So this is no more than a Windows 11 preview and it's well worth. Nothing that this layered version is not the final version and therefore performance numbers are subject to change. We download the ISO and made the necessary modifications so that it could be installed on our test system. So far, stability has been excellent. Not a single crash and everything has worked. Personally, I am not a huge fan of the Mac like look that Microsoft seems to have gone with, but it's not a big deal and I am sure you will be able to customize the appearance to suit your preference. Here the screen of Windows 11. So benchmark writes up that, but I will admit this won't be the most interesting set of benchmark I will ever put out, at least in terms of performance margins. Cinebench are 2-3 include here 30 minutes test AMD Ryzen 7 5800X Windows 11 and Windows 10 performance here Intel Core i7 Ryzen 7 the result Windows 11 15,553 and Windows 10 15,545. Intel Core i3 11700 Windows 11 performance 14,230 230 and Windows 10 14,187. 7 zip file manager 32 megabyte directory Ryzen 7 Windows 11 is low 76,576 and Windows 10 76,711 Core i3 same Windows 11 is low and Windows 10 is high. Zip file manager region here is the Windows 11 is low and 10 is high. running sequence R23 appearance to reveal the exact same level of CPU performance for both Rocket Lake and Generation 3 processor, and 7-zip compression is no different. I am not going to bother talking about most of the performance margin as they are insignificant. In the case of 7-zip, we are looking at no more than a 1% margin between the two Windows operating systems. Blender open data render time. Here Windows 11 time is 814 and Windows 10 815. So here is fast rendering or Blender open data fast, সময় কম লাগবে। Core i7 এ same। Adobe Photoshop 2020 এটা Windows 11 এ কম সময় লাগবে, then 1065 and Windows 10 1067. So the error or time is low. Core i7 is same. Adobe Premiere Pro same. Ryzen is same. Core i7 is বেশি সময় লাগবে। Adobe After Effects ব্যবহার করে দেন এখানে এফিকাসি বেশি, এটা কম, আর এটা সেম বা এখানেও কম ডিফারেন্স। So other software uses here and their score is difference between two. Gaming benchmark, the Ryzen 7 same and Core i7 is same. Watch Dogs login same, Ryzen এবং Core i7 দুটোই same. Shadow of the Tomb Raider, here is the same. So other game Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege, here is the difference. Core i7 same. Dent standarding, here is time low, so score is fine. Here minimum difference. F1 22 যেটা প্রায় সেম। Horizon Zero Dawn same, difference is low. Hitman 2 same. It's rare that we see noteworthy performance improvements for existing hardware when Microsoft released a major operating system update. In the past, we have seen false claims of big performance gain, but they rarely hold up when properly investigated. It's unclear what changes have been made with Windows 11 that could improve system performance, and if any such changes have been made, we have no idea which hardware configuration they are targeting. Highly anticipated. So আমরা দেখতে পেলাম যে উইন্ডোজ 11 উইন্ডোজ 10 থেকে অনেক ভালো এবং অধিকাংশ সফটওয়্যারগুলোর পারফরমেন্স খুব ভালো। সো Windows 11 is coming soon, and you installed your computer operating as a operating system, then you will get more result. Thank you for watching my present